I'm livid. What was the need of that? किसी ने नहीं ना ज़ाती दुश्मनी है मेरे साथ ज़ाती दुश्मनी. Times are hard and they're getting even harder. Me पता लगा ना who's doing this. You had it. You had it. Mrs. Khan on here. We need to go out. It's Easter. We need to chill out. That's exactly what we're going to do. So keep watching. Check that train out. Pehla kam gaddi ki nahi na petrol bwana. It's a must. Gaddi ki nahi na put £24.57 in. Now we're off to our next destination.
खान साहब, मैंने कहा था मुझे कहीं घुमाने लेके जाएं. ये हम जंगलों में किधर आ गए हैं?
ये मुझे भी नहीं पता जंगलों में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आ गए हैं.
वैसे व्यू नाइस है, लेकिन हम जा कहाँ रहे हैं?
व्यू इज फिनोमिनल.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं? नीचे कोई दरिया शरिया भी है और व्यू बड़ा प्यारा है ना.
Yes, a lot of parking. We'll show you where we are in a few seconds. We have landed safely in Sheffield, Meadowhall. Yes, Mr. Khan. It's the first time me and you come here, isn't it?
जी बिल्कुल. पहले तो मैं आई भी हूँ, लेकिन आपके साथ पहली दफा.
ये मेरे साथ पहली बार है, ये पहली बार.
पहली दफा जी जी, क्योंकि आप बड़े बोर हैं, आप आते नहीं हैं. अब बोले.
We're walking towards next. I think there's a lot of parking here. Depends what entrances you come. It's quite windy. Yes, and let's hope Mrs. Khan doesn't fly away. We're just coming out of next. We thought we'd get a bit of tea in us. Yeah, I need caffeine. The tea's arrived and we've got some cheese toast as well. You know what, Mrs. Khan's well trained. She's made tea spot on. We did the Pakistani thing. We've left the tea bag, but you know what? We've drank the tea. Made the most of our money. And that over there is the food court. It's Nando's and Taki Joe. Yeah, there's a lot of items you can get here, halal and non-halal food places. We're having a pit stop, you know, like old people do, OAPs. Miss Khan, you don't know OAP? Buddhi hogi yo. See outside of this Meadowhall, and there's a lot of car parking, but you can tell it's all kam kiye tha. But still car parks full in certain areas. Now we're heading off to the pink tree. Start.
Exit the car park.
4.8 miles.
अच्छा, शेफील्ड टाउन सेंटर में पहुंचे हुए हैं. तो अभी जो है ना जगह हम ढूंढ रहे हैं. द पिंक ट्री ढूंढ रहे हैं जगह. तो अभी मिल जाए तो उधर खाना खाने के लिए अभी जाते हैं. फिर सुना है उसके ना रिव्यूज़ उस जगह के बहुत अच्छे हैं और खाना भी बहुत अच्छा है. और अभी चल के देखते हैं कि खाना कैसा है. क्या हाल है मिस्टर खान?
Yes.
भूख लगी है?
भूख लगी हुई है. We've heard a lot of things about this place. And yeah, let's check it out, innit?
जी, जो भी सुना है बहुत ही पॉजिटिव सुना है इस जगह के बारे में. चलें अब जाके देखते हैं कि कैसी जगह है. तो ये अभी फ़िलहाल जो है ना टाउन सेंटर में हम जी अभी लंदन रोड की तरफ जा रहे हैं.
And ये जगह जो है ना कहाँ है मिसेस खान?
जी इसी रोड पे है कहीं.
इसी रोड पे ही है.
इसी रोड पे है कहीं.
The pink what?
द पिंक ट्री.
Pink
तो
tree.
देखिए अब किस तरफ है. पहली दफ़ा आ रहे हैं तो सही लोकेशन नहीं पता. तो बहरहाल ढूंढते हैं कि किधर है. वैसे ये जगह तो जो है ना ये रोड तो काफ़ी बिजी लग रहा है.
Yes.
तो यहाँ पे तो चहल पहल है.
चहल पहल, what does that mean?
हाँ, रौनक है.
Yes.
जी रौनक तो है. अब देखते हैं. और भी दुकानें हैं है ना. देखते हैं कि कैसी जगह है.
Yeah, but we have to park up in a very zoned area. That's the area we've parked. And kitna jurmana hai? 2 hours, £2. That's what we'll have to pay. And we're in this area. It's pretty windy here. We've got some crackheads over there as well. So taki jao ticket hi nahi lana pena. Yes, ticket lai julle hain. We are looking for Pink Tree. You know what? Just turna pesi. And then for the pajama chops, you can park here, yes, £4 all day. Itte park kari sakne ho. Mame bhi aige. Taki jao. Inna nahi kammi si. Here, yeah, you got a lot of variety of different shops. And you know what? It is heaving. It's definitely heaving. We can't find the Pink Tree. But you know what? Our TomToms brought us to this location. It's not the right place, is it? Let's walk on. Hey, Mrs. Khanna,
Gee,
I still can't find the Pink Tree.
it's behind you. Turn around. There it is. We
are
found
here
it.
at the Pink Tree. Yeah, kya hota hai? What do they sell, Mrs. Khan? What do they?
Kana.
Khana,
Tea
pina,
house, brunch.
brunch, tea house,
Gee.
brunch. You know, it's a very good location, yeah. If you want to bring your second wives in different areas, Sheffield is good.
Or if you want to come with your first wife.
Want to come with your first wife?
Yeah.
It's good. Promotion हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन
जी जी
It's good.
लेकिन जगह नाइस लग रही है. चलो अंदर चलें और खाना ऑर्डर करें. भूख लगी है.
चक्कर है यार.
जी.
Cold, windy है.
जी चले, भूख लगी है.
हम कहाँ नहीं ना.
चलो चले.
चलो चले.
और ये है यहाँ पे इस जगह पे पिंक ट्री. तो चले खान. चलो चले. Let's go. Let's go.
Inside decor looks good. That is the menu. What a very elegant place, I must say. Very elegant place, isn't it, Mrs. Khan?
Beautiful. I really like the decor.
The decor's done. You know what?
Yeah.
It's if you're ever in the area and you're even travelling on the M1, do come down and give this place a shout.
Yeah, the decor's beautiful.
We've decided I'm going for the lamb steak and Mrs. Khan's going for the chicken steak. It does come with accessories, so on to decorate. Yes, churiyan deegi. Don't them look a bit dangerous, Mrs. Khan.
No, it's for the steaks.
I've just been told by management these mocktails are for 100 quid. Mrs. Khan, me pandit only person.
Jute.
Taste test, Bismillah. That's nice. You know what I do like about this mojito? $7.99, and you know what? You do get value for money. Now some places the mocktails, the sizes are too small, but you know what? This place they do look after the customers.
That's right, yeah. And it's very tasty.
It is.
Yeah.
Because some say Under Guyana is doing doing a lot of things inside. Now preparation kan lagaya. You have to throw it inside, because then it gives you the ice feel. That is the chicken steak. Check that out. Chicken, sauces. What else is there, Mrs. Khan?
Yeah, so you've got your chips, you've got your veggies, and you've got the sauce as well.
And then I do like the plate. And on to mine, we've got the lamb steak. I wanted it well done. We've got chips with that. We've got the salad, broccoli, the sauce, and this looks nice as well. This little touch. Do you know what? That is looking a nice portion size as well. Just dip in this sauce with the steak. Just gonna taste test. Bismillah. That's chewy, crunchy. That's nice. I'm gonna try the chicken as well. Let's try that. Bismillah. That's soft, honestly soft, crunchy, and you know what? The taste on that is awesome. If you want to read namaz, they offer you a namaz area as well, which they've given me. That's brilliant of them. the sisters want to come alone and they want to use this area, they can do. This is for sisters only. Nice touch. The decoration in this place, honestly awesome. Check that out, that's where they serve the food. Okay, that's the kitchen area. It is busy, heaving. That's a naughty corner. And that is the place outside at night time. Dekhi jao. MashaAllah, awesome. The nightlife here, you know what, it is nice, isn't it? इतना नहीं ना अच्छो तो मज़े करो फैमिलियां नु आनो पैसे की क्या कर सो जोड़ गया वो छोड़ गया. Yes, Mrs. Khan, how much did that cost us? It cost us 50 bloody quid.
Yeah.
That was bargain.
£50 is reasonable. Yeah.
इतना अच्छो तो मज़े करो. एक मिनट, let this brother go past. A brother from another mother. Anyway, I'm gonna get in trouble. Anyway, इतना आनो अपनी पहली जनानी की या दूसरी जनानी की तीसरी जनानी की आनो ज़रूर. Bring your wives here, halal wives. Enjoy the vibe. Come down and eat in this place. I'm recommending it. The staff, the food, the hospitality, everything was 10/10. And do bring your in-laws as well if you can.
जी बिल्कुल. मैंने तो चिकन स्टेक खाया था और वो बहुत मज़ेदार था. और साथ में मॉकटेल्स भी बहुत नाइस थे. और
Yes.
जो है ना, अगर आप यहाँ पे नहीं आए हैं तो ज़रूर आए और ये जगह ट्राई करें.
You know what? It is worth a drive down. Trust me.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. यहाँ का डेकोर बहुत खूबसूरत था, स्टाफ भी नाइस था, लेकिन जो है ना खाना बहुत ही मज़ेदार था.
Kana was 10/10.
जी बिल्कुल. अब चलें घर. हाँ
No, I've got to drive back. About an hour's drive back, Mrs. Khan.
चलो चलो
Challe.
चलो चले.
Dessert now, Jay.
आपकी मर्जी. डिज़र्ट
okay.
खाना है?
I've got room for dessert.
हविए और साथ में चाय.
Yeah, why not?
चलो फिर चले, कोई जगह ढूंढते हैं.
Ita hai chai to pi julan. Let's go and get chai green. Beep pom. That's the place from inside. Ordered 2 coloured chais and with that a Matilda, yes, chocolate cake. How much? Bottle £15. Nasty Matilda cake. And then the teas come as well. The teas come and I'm going to put it in like this. Janina. Nice touch this. I do like this kind of stuff. Mrs. Gunson bacon.
बहुत ही क्यूट कप है. क्या हाल है?
Nice concept, isn't it?
Nice. We got more tea. और चाय भी है.
This a try. We got proper desi chai. Awesome.
जी हम वापस घर के लिए रवाना हो चुके हैं. बॉल्टन की तरफ जा रहे हैं, लेकिन ये पता नहीं कौन से जंगलों से हम गुजर के जा रहे हैं. रात का टाइम है और बिल्कुल सुनसान रास्ता है और अंधेरा है और ये रास्ता सेफ नहीं है. खान, आप किस रास्ते से घर जा रहे हैं?
The Tom took us this way, and what do you want me to do, innit?
आपका टमटम भी आपकी तरह ही है. ये देखें कौन से रास्ते से हम घर जा रहे हैं.
Don't look at it.
नहीं, वो बात नहीं है. कोई लाइटिंग नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है इस रास्ते पे. कंट्री साइड रोड है. दिन के टाइम फिर भी अलहदा बात होती है, इस टाइम पे.
सेहान ने गाड़ी पास कर लिया है. माशाल्लाह, रिश्ता भी ढूंढ रहा है. I've just picked Mrs. Khan up and she's had cupping. Where did you have cupping, Mrs. Khan?
Over there, the clinic over there. It's that clinic over there. It's really good, you know.
पहली बात है, मुबारक हो. सुना है आपका नेफ्यू गाड़ी पास कर गया है ब्रैडफोर्ड में. He's another dangerous driver on the road. The dangerous bloody driver on the road. बच के रहना.
Inshallah, he'll be a good driver on the road.
और रिश्ता भी उसका ढूंढ रहे हैं. Yes, UK वाली लड़की हो ना, पैसे वाली, गाड़ी वाली. Yes.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
ये किसने आपको बोला?
बस मैंने बस किराया
अपने
पी रहा
पास से ही लगे रहते हैं
एनीवे मिसेस खान कुकिंग करा ली है
जी करा ली है
अच्छा शान के लिए कोई पार्टी हुई नहीं थी यानी
अच्छा आपने कुकिंग करानी है
मैंने क्या करा
आप ही करवा सकते हैं पूछो कितने कप्स लगवाए हैं
कितने आपने कितने कप्स लगाए हैं
21 yeah but I actually feel good after that you know
कुकिंग इज सुन्ना इज गुड फॉर यू
it's so nice good for you जी ये है सेहान का केक और आज ड्राइविंग टेस्ट पास हो गया है तो उसकी खुशी में ये वाला केक लेके आई है मेरी भाभी
Is that a nice car?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
It's that car.
Huh?
It's that car.
It's Lamborghini. Nice.
and can you also follow this TikTok Brands Vogue okay do follow these on TikTok Brands Vogue they're doing designer wear designer products so jo khandan wale you were invited it was this party was only for VIPs
you were invited you chose not to come
busy schedule anyway Sian Mubarak from myself may Allah make you a safe driver that's the cupping clinic Mrs. Khan's had her cupping today it's in Bolton and it's for females as well and males as well I've been told separately so yes in this cupping centre the women can't touch the men and the men can't touch the women it's haram females can only do females and the males can only do the males bear that in mind yeah we're back in Bolton repound paise kadaye we need some breakfast in it subana waqt hai this is a crackhead only na kache ch repound boy hun julle I'm going to the breakfast place you know what Mrs. Khan I'm the only one that puts up with you
Khan I'm the only one that can put up with you as well
anyway this is the place we've come to Tasty Bites and that's the place we're having breakfast today and it's actually on Halliwell Road breakfast is here Mrs. Khan and these are our cup of teas as well and Mrs. Khan Galina is that yours or mine that's going to be mine with two toast
is that yours
and we've got that's yours actually
that's mine
she's not gone for sausages because Mrs. Khan doesn't like the
I
sausages
don't
that's
like
the desi
yeah desi breakfast that looks nice
and that's mine it's got toast hash browns and inside it's going to have sausage and an egg as well and beans as well and mushrooms yes folks that is the end of the vlog do like share and subscribe Mocktail on video we said that once you subscribe until next time from me Mrs. Khan and my gang stay safe Allah Hafiz
Allah Hafiz from Sheffield